how to easily change the channel that TubeBuddy is connected to. So you first have to go to the YouTube studio and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Then go to Channel and scroll down to Manage. Then go to Connected Apps. So if you do have any apps connected, like TubeBuddy, you then have to locate it from your list. And once you find it, you then have to click on the three dots, then select Disconnect. Now, in order to actually add a new channel to TubeBuddy, you simply have to install the TubeBuddy browser extension on your browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, and so on. Then log into your YouTube account with the new channel you want to use. And TubeBuddy should then be able to automatically detect your channel. And once it does, a prompt will then come up to authorize access. So you simply have to click authorize to grant TubeBuddy access to your new channel. And that's it. So that's simply how to change the channel TubeBuddy is connected to. So that wraps it up. I hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.